Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram if it's not letting you log in. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As you can see here, you can go ahead and use your username, email, or mobile number. Let's say, for example, you forgot your username. Well, at least try to use email or the mobile number connected to that specific account. Choose from either of these options. Now, if it still gives you the error where it says incorrect password, well, that means that your password is incorrect. You're gonna want to try all the recent passwords that you have at least used to other accounts. Now, if it still doesn't log you in, well, just tap on forgot password in here. Okay, tap on it and at least try to remember your email or username. So I'm gonna type down my username right here. I'm gonna hit on continue, or if you want to, you can go ahead and find by mobile number as well. So as you can see here, mine automatically logged in because this account was logged into this specific phone and it was remembered. Okay, yours may be different. You may be able to see a pop-up next to that specific page where you enter your username. It may ask you for a code. So where do you get the code? You'll be able to get the code from the email tied to your Instagram account. So grab that code, paste it where it's needed, and on continue, and after that, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Instagram if it's not letting you log in. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.